Guys, what's going on? It's Mark back again. Check this out. This is a super clean 2006 Dodge Ram, sorry. Consider it Dodge now. Dodge Ram 2500 LARAMIE 5.9 liter 4x4. Beautiful truck. Got a lot of goodies on this one. I'm gonna show you guys under the hood first. There's your piggyback tuner right there. We got a whole bunch of nuts. A LARAMIE, it's got some hostile wheels on it. Don't act so hostile. Well, why? Because we have some crazy stuff under the hood. We got a Banks high ram intake, GDP filtration system with a whole bunch of goodies, new battery, Banks 6 gunner. I forget what that is. Look in the description. I want to put everything in the description. So don't blink. I'm going to put everything in the drop-down menu in this description. We got a cold air intake system with a brand new K&N cold air filter. It's an AFE cold air intake system. Nice little turbo right here. All the fluids and everything are good. Truck runs and drives absolutely great. Brand new batteries, as you can see. Nice Cummins 5.9. One of the last breeds of the 5.9, so to speak. Really nice truck. You got some under stuff right here. Mag height. Front diff cover. Runs and drives great. I'll show you guys the other side right here. It's got a 4-inch turbo back exhaust system, full 4-inch turbo back exhaust. Really nice truck. Bed's in good shape. I'm gonna make this one short and quick and sweet. Wick. Can't even speak right today. Haven't eaten lunch yet. So anyways, frame's in good shape. There's the 4-inch exhaust. Nice truck. It's a LARAMIE. Got the original booklet still in here, and I'll make this one short and sweet and quick. There we go. I said it right this time. Leather seats, flip up right there. Get your hideaway spot for your 6-pack of beer, whatever you want to hide right there. Who knows? I'm not up to whatever you guys do, but make it happen. Tires, what are we running? We got like a 4-inch suspension lift kit system on this truck. And tire-wise, we are running a 35 1250 20-inch mud terrain tire, okay, on a hostile 20 by 12 wheel chrome. Beautiful setup. Cab lights. It looks really nice at nighttime. It's got some black housing headlights right there. So yeah, you can't see that in the daylight. No thanks. Anyways, it's got some nice little setup. Really nice truck right here. Runs and drives phenomenal. Carpets are in good shape all throughout. Just got detailed. So you guys have any questions about this one? Let us know. 540-898-3025. It has 179,347 maintained miles on this sucker. Beautiful. Sliding rear window, heated seats, both sides, passenger and driver heated seats, 4-wheel drive. Factory radio, you don't see that often. You can replace that and put an aftermarket one. I'm not too sure how good that one works, but who cares? It's a Cummins. You listen to the motor, not the radio. Sounds beast, really does. Nice little threshold right there. Power driver. And yeah, that's all we can say about this truck right here. That's all I had to say about the war in Vietnam. Forrest Gump. So, VIN number. Yeah, let's drive it. See how she drives. Nice little grips there. Overhead console, hood, roof, cav lights, you name it, it's got it. So yeah, let's stand back and give us a call. 540-898-3025. If you have any questions about this beast. This is a 2006 5.9, guys. Get it straight. 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 5.9 liter. It's got like a 4-inch kit on it, suspension kit. And it has diff covers front and rear, 20 by 12s, hostile chrome wheels on 35 1250 20s. And there's the Mag High Tech. How the hell do you say that? Mag High? Who the hell comes up with these names? Like Magai's and some Mag High Tech. Very dusty under here, by the way. Very dirty and dusty, but other than that, Mag High Tech. I don't know. The sun's blaring this way too. That's why it looks so bad, but it cleans up nice. It really does. So there you go. Check it out. and give us a call, 540-898-3025, or check it out on the website, superiorwholesale.org. Hope you guys are doing great. See you later. Oh, and it also has a turbo timer on it. So if you shut it off and the thing's still running, that's the turbo timer. And I'll show you guys right here. Cool down timer. There it is. And this one is for, not too sure. You got a whole bunch of goodies under there. You got your electric chiller brake controller right here, draw tight, right there. So NC not connected. I'll show you guys. Starts up good, sounds good. Rolling some black coal. I wish the exhaust was on the other side so you can hear when you rev it up and if you're alone. There it is. So watch, right? I'll shut it off. I'll shut off that time because it doesn't need to cool down. We'll take off. Let's see how the sucker sounds and rolls coal. Ready? Here we go. Let's do it. Door open. Don't drive with the door open. All right, let's roll coal without making these people mad. See the coal? Sounds awesome. It really does. It's a nice truck. Oh, it's ready. So yeah, hope you guys like this one. It's not too loud. It sounds really good outside. All right, over and out, guys. See you later.